in the record time. So this is the contractor that is going to undertake the works. So now let me read the speech from the PS, the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, the Honorable Members of Parliament present here, the Residence District Commission, the Chairperson and Councillors, the Chief Administrative Officer, government officials from the Ministry of Works and Transport, representatives from the contractor, members of the press, members of the community present here, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to welcome you to this groundbreaking ceremony of Inchwera Bridge in Mitoma. This project is a vital infrastructure development initiative under the Ministry of Works and Transport's mandate to plan, develop, and maintain transport infrastructure. The project will play a key pivotal role in transforming our transportation network, enhancing communities, connectivity, and fostering economic growth. It aligns with the parish development model objective of bringing services closer to the people and the National Development Plan for focus on infrastructure development. The project was initiated following the request of the Chief Administrative Officer to the Ministry for support in construction of Inchwera Bridge after the existing bridge was damaged by a flooding event on 16th November 2021. Accordingly, the Ministry sent a technical team to assess the extent of the damage, and our findings confirm that River Inchwera is a permanent water body approximately 20 meters wide and 4 meters deep, fed by different streams from Beju and Rubirizi. During heavy rains, the river experiences high velocity flows that carry boulders and sediments downstream. It is these forces that contributed to the destruction of the concrete bridge that was built in 1985, and they continue to pose a safety risk. The bridge was constructed along Mitoma Rutoche District Road to provide connectivity and accessibility to Rutoke Town Council, Mitoma Sub-County and Bitereko Sub-County, facilitating trade and access to social services. At the time of our assessment, the only available crossing is a timber bridge that Right Honorable we saw in that place. It's 13 meters long, built by the community. Meanwhile, vehicles face detours of up to 40 kilometers to reach, resulting in 2 delays, increased transport costs, and limited access to the vital services. In 2022. However, due to limited funding, especially for bridge construction in the Duka network, the construction was delayed until funds 2024-2025. Of course, this was championed by the Right Honorable Speaker himself. We received 5 billion by that time, and the minister began undertaking the procurement. The minister receives 20 billion for construction of bridges across the entire country, and these funds are not adequate to undertake all bridges. Last year, the ministry updated the engineering design and initiated the procurement process that culminated into the signing of the contract on 16th October 2025, with Ampas Technical Services Limited emerging as the best evaluated bidder. The scope of the works includes construction of a 25-meter span bridge, embankment protections, rehabilitation of 2 kilometers of the roads, temporary diversions, and site clearance. The cost of the project is 8.045 billion, and the construction period is expected to last 18 months. So today's event signifies, today's site handover signifies the contractor now has full access to the site to mobilize equipment, set up the camp, and set up the camp, prepare materials, and commence the work. The Ministry of Technical Staff will supervise progress closely to ensure compliance with the standards and timelines. Once the infrastructure is completed, to restore direct access between Mitoma, Town Council, and reduce transport costs. We therefore appeal to the contractor Ampas Technical Services, a reputable local contractor, to execute quality work and complete this project on time. We also request for support from the local communities and leaders during the construction of the works. I take this opportunity to appreciate all the parties who are involved in the project planning and implementation in various ways, and I also thank all of you for honoring this invitation and for attending this critical function for God and my country. Now I take this singular honor to invite the Right Honorable Speaker to give his remarks.
Thank you. Abantu bakigomite muri munonga mubare kujya kutwakira mu bwinji kandi harumuna n'abantu bitu babusheregenyi indanka chairman Tofa mwebare kushaba tukayikayizobere nanye ni nyakira bakuru bona baryaha kureka chairman wawe narimu niwe batayanjura chairman awitu Moses kandi speaker wa district hamwe na flag bearer wa district wa LC5 umwami Karitundu na wari nitwaha kandi of course babayanjire ninjya bayanjire flag bearer o mucyara wana Rebecca cyara kandi hamwe na n'umujocero wa general Otafire assistant we umwami Kanchiro. So PS, you will allow me to speak in our language. Me and you, we've spoken over years about this issue, but I want to appreciate you. I want to appreciate you first as a person for being a good communicator and a dedicated cadre in government service. Ogomushija nkozere n'abantu binje mu government niba cyabinshange barikora nko ogomushija. You are very professional and I pray for God to reward you. Extend our appreciation to the minister and specifically Minister Ichweru, who came all the way up to this bridge. When Namshabangu aisoksi makuita minister wengudo na nentindo nemihanda konkana munonga minister Musa Ichweru wakwasira muhanda kija kahikaha harutindo kandi tukija tukakora kumwe tukakoresha menu tinkwenda kuzahari nienda nokusima chairman boneza iwe na district yawe kurangu okuta bintu kora kumwe ekizibu cyanyu hati mukumanya ngo mu district yanyu mwine mabantu bamani nimuzoko mushabo buntu buke akashabira katindo ka miliyoni rushanje kuba akandetire naka mubingisa hariko kakani kaza kushenyi ko myaka 15 hati orutindo ruto atongozaha nurwa billioni 8 ezo nizo miliyoni 8 kandi nuza kumara emikwangara kumara myaka 100 mwakireba so imwe district manyengo mu district mwineje no mu nyineyo mutasha ubuntu buke mushabe bintu bigomukira timwine ordinary MPs nakabibiza hako mukwatanise nitotungure cyane ninyenda konka kutwara ogo mugisha kubagambira iki orortindo itonturasa kuba twatatize twakora byone bitwakozire konkora ortindo wayemerire akarutehera ni President Museveni tinye timnyanya Juliet tije notafire ni President Museveni shaba konko kushabo kwitu aba finance batu imasenge bas team niwe yimukire akajya tingaha abaroji banje bakaroza karoza gikunda nambone ko ari je numuzakora ajya tabaroji bakaroza muri yo atabaroji ba atinimenda bandoke tinkwenda atisete muzibahereza yayaragirira so orortindo kirora biro mu budget eje yite ya parliament eje yake rukabora bo mukituru kweta korigenda twatwakoze budget ba government yabitiro byona president yajati mwongera akashonshereko kortindo ruanchi urakwata ni sarwinda nos hamwe na mtum so mwana shamba yakina shaba ewe ezengaro natwazitera nyengaro tinkuzifawo engarezi ndafe omunonga nezo mu boxes zirarwo mu cyangece ezirarwe eseri busheregenyi rutoke hona zikarwa kuri mitoma hona abo kutunywanisa hati ninza kushaba contractor aba ampas omomu twine mabana bitu bari kubase mirimo abari wo mwakozesa bazimanisiza kwecha kwemuka nashanga ngumwareto umuntu wo kubate wo kuteka ngumwamwi kuri tihina bakugora jakaronka bancinga na nababushereje impurengu mwareta manyabafo ame bahangu mwabiya hero acho nkiza kunterana nimwe ninyenda abantu bitu wa billion 8 hagira ka sente kasigaromo katungure cyanga wakireba nibwe tukunyumirwamu kandi nimbashabimo abantu bakunda nimo mukwatanisa nabo hari habe na retiro kunanka okoko wi banje ngo abantu bitu bakwenda kora barireze so mubo bakozi mutaka twabashabira konka ni mu mcejumbiremo kandi njabampas mukwatanise nabebembezi becyanga aba sideji na sideriya na security mbaza kubayamba kumanya abana barunja bakora jebe mico mirunje bena aba bana abo kwa mbone wabona kasente wezo mwaka gumene chweka ni wabona tori yeze njugano nareza kutankira hakantu umwaka gumene chweka bana bagure byo kurya bikurwa mu cyangeke hone bitocana byo mbaza kubiya handi emondi banu baziya handi so mureke twatanise nabo tubakire mutakaza kugezaho mwarebo umuntu ari kujya ngo no mukozi wortindo nanda kuba kuzakashoka cement abeyinchi mumanye unimwe ariyo nayibaka naremesa mwakirira abo kwa nabo abibine mu naza kurgaye bizahambuke bitandike kwenda kwiba company ngo biri kubaguza ubusente buke konka mwayikirize byo nimuza kwa mwayeyiba so mutakikiriza nomwe kwiba company kugikoye ebintu bya company kubikozesa kubi aboka ne bya government kandi aho nibwo mirimo yitu eraroke kwa aho ne ogire nienda kukusima orutindo rwa kitojo ruwanga mbirore nashanga ngo niruza korwa program ya smart climate eto arabizo sente mu ministry of agriculture so ororo nazoza twazibwine orashito hate kito akora naruga ndiyo ningendana na contractor kuzomukashojwa kugira ngo naho ha sente zo zabwine hagira ki yachagizaho atikorera ko mukashojwa aboko ko taturinze roro hango tube twine ahitukurabira indi kwendera one bugiriye ati yafa abacyara nanye kamfa abashija habo konka kandi wanogamba nyo kubaza kurete misho bareta bakazi barungi bonka nareba bishye murembe hanuya aboje wakunkanye sigeni mu murasa kwe karakasa konka agira yimwakoma batabatera impi ekikuru n'okutwaza n'okugira emicwe n'okutwaza okagira emicwe ito twakora ogwitu ogw'okubahana konka niteekateeka ngu nimuza kugezaho mugire emicwe mutwaze ekyo amuheru ororutindo tinkwena ngu rwenka orutindo runakozire inebicweka emperize koramu orutindo ija yangu omunda ati nabonaho kuteerera omurengi ati kumbire ninkanywa ati nkinywa akashera kanje ndema kubaransinga emigororo ati njambuka mpumize titine ati nkirabonja omukama ati ninza iguru y'orutindo nteera omurengi titwayombeka orutindo rw'okuteeraho omurengi twayombekaho orutindo orw'okureeta entunguuka orw'okugira ngu mutamburize ebyamaguzi orw'okugira ngu nimwe munywane mwanguhirwe habwokuba twine programu ya parish model hati mutandikire kugya entaasa nyingi mwine emyani myingi ntwenda ngu buri kimwe kitamu ijo nkareeba bari kubeherera nkareeba bari kuteeka nanka TikTok orutindo rwakuri kakombe okoko okukyamuhunga bakugira no wa deputy speaker najya ntishinanye ndabona bwiza konka nangwa nanye zanje ziri kubiba kandwanaho urwanya rugote ashenya rugote keta kabago wanje umaruka rya RDC witu wakireba konka government hati President Museveni akaragira mitoma tukantunga miliyoni 3 nazinga yeboneza 5 zengudu yaja ngo batongere billion okay billioni eyo kuzamuzuka ko ngudo hati engudo zitnimbi konka ninjaro hati mukwasa kwa serehinji tizikumara konka mukwasa kwa serehinji so nimba shaba imwimwe abataka ezisente nimo mshemeye kuba nimuzora hamisho nimo bakarebi nimo bokufunama so district ya nejane ekora murengo bakora umurimo gwishikire kandi sente zanyu bazikozesake ecyamheru nyencyakare nimbeta kwija kunta yayira hari ya rwastandard twineye cyamani munonga twineye cyensi yona konka estakuremera nkakiri konka na cyensi yona so mwije kare tubeho kumwe abakuru b'ekibina cya NRM mbona nibaza kwija ekindi ebiro 3 omukundo with president naza kwa ryo mu district itatayire ntuza kumwakirira kirambi aho tushangira umwanya gwa hari hagati mutawuni guri muke
kwari muke
rukunde itumwinire tekwika Soto ajaureka tumworeke okutu abakuzakuzya kwakira president munyerere ze mikono ndebe imanyangu ntiza kumwakiza rukunde mpangwa mwebare hine entebe kanisa itu ino ntiza kwantije bamanyisa kurabo muri bebembezi banyu aho kama with chairman wa movement wa district ariyo nyencha kena aza kutubugana twena nkabe kibina atwesero mu rukiko tuza kuranza twaruzamu tutereka niseje ni nyenda president yija mitoma kwari ije mitoma nko kwari kutukunda nko kwasira abana banyu habo kwati nkwanya ngo hine district eyahire ekintu kiri kwingana nkeyitu eyahire kacyapira kushanga minister webya security mwihanga ryo na internal affairs na kibyona naruga n'umwana wanyu ogashanga deputy speaker wa parliament naruga n'umwana wanyu obotirika district kache mazima no uche bwitu mureke tumworeke rukundo eri kukirayo kandi eri kukirayo munama ebindi ntiza kubiganira aho nyencha zintuja kubika mwere kanto arogo mugisha kutongoza okutandika kwombeka orutindo kandi orutindo utwatubya hansi oku twajya ngu turete izina so ni uzo kumurikirize tukihinguze mu Ministry of Works. We have a proposal of having a name for this bridge. Okay? And I want to put it before the people. These are the most important people. If we pass it as a resolution, you go, you change completely the name. It becomes official. Then the district team mwari bwije bwanyuma na nebya okwa muraman git muramwa so twatisa ngoro tindo turete Yoweri Museveni bridge abakuchemba mwereza mikono. The eyes have it. Mwebare mnonga mukama bankumire tilte tuze wo mukashojwa. Oh, mwena mtete shani. Okay. Mwebare